tena su ohuna ne to eje na enya na su egbe o ga ime ofo oseti enya na su egbe no tia o sane se enya na su na tia egbe but o ga where have you work fidon awa ma fidon ebe he ama fidon ebe he ama fidon ebe o ko ga gbo no tia ise iba yo erere ile ejoto.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video, I just see one video where Vera do. No saying with Enogie they get quarrel ever since. This one when I can't just see just now, it just really touched me, like seriously. I beg Vera, I beg. May you remove the children. Oh, I know say he insult your pikin too. I beg. That's why you swear for the children just now. It did too much. I beg. I use God to beg you, Vera. You know this saga don't dey too much now. You don't dey too much. I beg. This one and have children matter. I beg. Even Enogie me wants to beg you. You be man. Stop all those things where you did do so. I beg. Not be person come to insult your children because of. I mean no say where Vera come out. Vera saying they find the truth. If they find the truth, you know for never may find the truth. It be not fair talk to you. Me shock. Say you can't even go to talk to her. You leave them now. You go leave them. As they come they insult your children now, you like them. For me, I don't like them. Oh. I beg. This thing is too much now. It's too much. My darling people, what would I say think now? If this saga do too much,
If I boss your cool era who are table here, or go that Buenelli, El Sana Senelli, who are if you any lawyer. For 50 years, who I will be Bolomobia. Maybe where your moya gear, a pericoti, Nuna Pauna Fimukium, Numa beer, or Monopa, Una Totona Finu gear, oh, then of your pericoti la, oh, you allow Nelly, oh, you allow Nelly, oh, you allow Nelly. Tiamu, you want to Tiamu, Tenelimu, oh, then of your pericoti la. Eneni hala wo wie eneni hala wa von eneni hala wo ta ena gbogbo wa ya la yegbere aso paro no bie yegbere o so paro no bie yegbere eneni o wa lo kan de lore u ga fi awu u ga tubu be raga me me social media this way da me wa gbo wa bo wa be gugu gugu no wa kulo bo su wa o me wa hin gugu na gugu wa we gbe kin
Vera,
Nelly, what you are low, Hanadero, who are look
Vera, I beg Vera, oh, I beg, let me come beg you, I beg. This insult is too much.
Social media, Yana get Perry, Yana Hayway, Yana Hera, Yana this way there are who are, this way there are my Bobiere. I'm a be pericodia. Not the person for pericoat, not the person for pericoat. Pericoda be mother of picking, ni jouer, nera, yana so a table no biere, or monobio biere, yana yagio, over no honor. Enelio, many so a papetona, all I read to Bereroga boy. Ubereroga Buenelli, Ubereroga Buenelli, Ubereroga Buenelli, Ubereroga Buenelli, Apoga.
My darling people, I beg. Mona join me beg Vera. This saga do too much. No. These children, it do too much. I beg Vera. I beg. This thing do too much. No. That insult is too much. It's really touching. I beg. I know say Enogie see insult your children too. And the insult Perry children. Perry picky way up me. I know. But this insult now, it does it too much. As he say he wants to change now, say you don't want to talk to Perry again. And they don't want to insult your children again. I beg, Vera, I beg. I go on a Vera mama, I'm your tall, on an enemy. This me no you know I no get to put itself for this thing at all. I no just know at all. I go see try ma call am sha, ma sit talk to am really. This thing don't dey too much now. Every time me insult. No, e not good. This thing don't dey too much, e don dey too much, abeg. Mama Nora, make you see talk to your man, make him this saga don too much, abeg. Yes, saga be messy now. Not a better thing. Saga not be good thing. Eh? This saga before it be not be like this. So I not just know how this thing come to turn children matter. Eh? I not just know. This thing don dey too much, abeg. More na stop to dey insult children. Children not say una this thing una dey do so. Pikin not send una o. Children not send una this thing una dey do so. I not just know how this children matter can just say turn on another thing for social media. If you talk to a person, if you want to talk to you, not to insult your pikin. How this children matter? If person talk to una, more than talk to the person back. More than not the carry person matter again for this social media. Because the person when you carry a matter na Enogie, he not even talk for the matter. He not, because he don't talk at that day. If you talk, say me anybody not fight for her, fight for her again. Is it me anybody not fight for her? Say if you fight for her, you know. Now you go use your head carry her. And what did she talk? That's why she not talk put. Say now that they talk my boy, he not still talk because he don't ready for one all of una. Is it make anybody not talk, not fight for him again? He no need them again. The truth have to be said here. Enogie, you with this Vera matter. Now because of that person where you they fight for, now you go measure Vera name. No. The thing don't over you now. You don't even know you want to stop again now. What if be all those things now? So they insult children. This thing not too much. She talk am. He say me anybody not fight for him again. Fight for yourself, Enogie. You are a man. If somebody insult you, insult him. As they come, they insult your enemy children now. You like him. No carry person matter for this social media again. I don't know why people say two friends na quarrel. It can't turn to all the social media people. People who ever get quarrel don't even rest. Would not green rest. Not be juju be that. Not be juju be that, my people. No, Vera, now they insult your enemy children now. Eh? I don't want to resolve this thing now. Vera, I beg. Now beg me want to beg me you stop, I beg. Now beg, now I go still beg you. Yeah, I beg. You always say, we let topic your way. La wo Vera. Imi ame do imi we. Eti do ti e bono e do imi awe la wo Vera la o je. La wo pray no make video na la wo la o. Ya wa be imi awe oge mo na te bona na ede de ma to. Yen go beti no wo e o. Yen wa ha ba we do ma te o tie no wo. La wo better we yen give tie ni la wo je. Laoji. So my darling people, anything you want to think about this video, more leave on a comment for the comment section. Bye.